fun, but don't break anything.
Roger that.
We're all about to go down the slide together. We're gonna enjoy the water park. I'll see you at the next house.
The only bad news is it's across the entire country. The good news is
It's a $45 million mega mansion. Whoa. Oh my gosh.
This is like the most open house I've ever been in.
I don't know what majestic thing this is, but it's beautiful.
as you can probably tell, these houses are starting to get so expensive, I don't even know how to describe them anymore.
Honestly, lost for words. This is quite possibly the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
So I called in multi-billionaire Mark Cuban to help us out.
How's it going?
Hey, good to see this place.
How's it going, little man?
Mark's also the proud owner of the Dallas Mavericks basketball team. And because this house has its very own basketball court, you can imagine we got a little distracted.
Jimmy won't make it. Buckets. No, just steal it from Carl. Hit that! No shot.